Nikolai, we're just outside the village.
Copy. I'll pick you up in 1 hour.
The factory isn't far from here. Makarov's cargo should be there. Keep it silent. Let's move.
Maintain a low profile. The militia's all over this area.
So, try not to die this time.
You worry about yourself, old man.
Vehicles approaching. Get down.
All man don't die. All man don't nearly die. Bend the other one then.
Move.
You know, so they killed them by last week. That's all?
2 X-rays, 11 o'clock. Take them out.
They don't look safe. They just shoot at 210.
Clear. They're gonna torch the poor bastard. Let's light them up before they light him up.
Take him out! Got a visual!
Move. Tango's up ahead.
Hold your fire. There's too many of them.
Don't do anything stupid, lads. All right, get ready. Move. Get off the road. Get down now.
Easy.
All clear. Hold up. Clear. 2 more on the bridge. We'll have to take them down. Wait for the truck to pass. Drop them. Move up.
See the factory. It's just up the road. Right. Soap and I will advance. Yuri, you're on overwatch. Get to a position on the roof and cover us.
Hostiles approaching. 5 meters. 2 more from the west. Take them down. Move it up. Another patrol on the road. Take them out quick. Moving. Breaching now. Clear. Clear? This place is bloody empty. Nikolai, the factory's a dead end. No sign of Makarov.
He must have moved to the militia's headquarters at the center of town.
We're moving there now. Heads up, we've got company. We're compromised! Switch your AK! Yuri, run! Rally on me!
Yuri, push forward! Clear. Through here, let's go! We know we're here. All that matters is Makarov's cargo. Keep moving. Technical! Get a shot! Yuri, man the 50 caliber, lay down cover fire. Put fire on the technical! Don't stop moving or they'll dial in on us! Mortar incoming! Don't stop moving! Go! Yay! Yuri, I see you! Just keep moving! The fighting mortars in that tower! Yuri, slap the bastards! They're down! Okay, we've got a large group of militias heading our way. Then let's give them a proper welcome. Yuri, man the mortar on the roof. Start putting shells downrange! Use the mortar and hose those bastards down! Looks like 2 technicals and a bunch of troops. Light them up! All targets the village are hostile. If it moves, put a mortar shell on it. Keep firing a mortar! That's good for now. Let's move. We need to hit the church. We're running out of time. Approaching the church now. You're sure the cargo will be there?
It's the only area they could have moved it to. If not there, then it's already on its way to Europe.
Let's hope he's right.
Area clear. So, get the door! Cover me! There's a church! Hey, there's the boat! They're moving the cargo! We're out of time! Get to that church now! Yuri, keep moving! Push forward to the church! Yuri, push forward! Push forward to the church! Yuri, keep moving! Push forward to the church! It's 12 o'clock! Stack up on the door! Alright, let's do this. They're getting away with the cargo! Damn! Nikolai, the shipment's gone. We missed our window.
What about Makarov?
Must have done a runner. Just get us out of here.
Empty.
What do you think Makarov was after?
We'll ask the bastard when we find him.